Welcome to a tutorial on WipFrag's autoscale feature. Beginning on the start page of WipFrag 4, if we select Add New from the top right corner, then Capture, we can take a picture of the muck pile we want to analyze. On the Capture page, we must first allow the device to see the ground so it can set a reference point. A frame will appear on screen which indicates the slope of the material in view. The slope is detected automatically when using a LiDAR-enabled device like the iPhone 12 Pro or later. If not using a LiDAR-enabled device, or to override the automatic slope, we can also manually adjust the slope by touching and dragging on the gray box next to the material frame. When ready to capture, make sure to align the bottom of the material frame with the base of the material pile, where the pile meets the ground. Once we capture the image, WipFrag automatically creates a dual scale which will account for the slope of the muck pile. Now that we are here, we can take a quick look at the new deep learning edge detection in WipFrag 4. You can check the precision by activating the heat map. Just double tap and hold on the image, then slide up or down to see more or less of the heat map. Tap the chart icon on the top right to get the final results. Now we're ready to get more accurate data faster and safer than ever, without needing a scale reference object. All we need is a smartphone or tablet with WipFrag 4. Wipware, because you can't manage what you can't measure. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to explore more Wipware products, services, and features.